Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something really exciting to share with you. A tasty and simple drink that can actually help restore your vision and banish those pesky age spots. It's a natural, easy to make concoction that has been gaining a lot of attention for its incredible health benefits. You might be thinking, can a drink really make that much of a difference? Well, the answer is yes, and your doctor might even be amazed by the results. Now, we all know that as we age, our bodies undergo changes, and some of them less welcome than others. One of the most common issues we face as we get older is a decline in vision, along with the appearance of age spots on our skin. These problems can seem inevitable, but what if I told you that you could fight back against these by simply sipping on a delicious, nutrient packed drink? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me because I'm going to break down exactly how this works and how you can start benefiting from it today. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can continue sharing health tips that help you thrive. Before we dive into the specific recipe, let's talk about why nutrition plays such a vital role in maintaining both your vision and your skin as you age. We often think of nutrition in terms of energy, weight management, or general well being, but food does so much more. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in certain foods can actually target specific areas of your health, your eyes, and your skin included. You see, our bodies are constantly batting free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and accelerate aging. These free radicals can contribute to the deterioration of vision and cause hyperpigmentation. The good news is, with the right nutrients, you can arm your body with the tool it needs to fight back. Antioxidants, in particular, are like your body's own defense squad, neutralizing free radicals before they can cause damage. There's also something to be said about the relationship between inflammation and the aging process. Inflammation in the body can wreak havoc not only on your skin but on your vision as well. By reducing inflammation, you're essentially giving your body the chance to heal and function more efficiently. Alright, now that we've got the basics covered, let's get to the fun part, the ingredients. What exactly makes this drink so special? It's all about the combination of nutrient-rich foods that are known for their healing properties. Each ingredient has been carefully chosen for its ability to boost eye health, improve skin quality, and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to stay youthful and vibrant. Let's break down into the key ingredients that make this drink a game changer. First off, we have carrots. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, and that's absolutely true. Carrots are packed with beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A crucial nutrient for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A helps protect the surface of the eye and supports the function of the retina, which is essential for good eyesight. Carrots also contain lutein, an antioxidant that helps filter harmful blue light and protect the eye from damage. Whether you're staring at screens all day or just want to protect your vision as you age, lutein is a must. Regular consuming carrots can help you maintain sharp vision and even reduce the risk of macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Next up, we have spinach, another powerhouse ingredient for eye health. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that are known to protect your eyes from damage caused by UV rays and blue light. These antioxidants help prevent oxidative stress in the eye, which can lead to cataracts and other age-related eye conditions. But that's not all. Spinach also provides a good amount of vitamin C, which is crucial for maintaining the health of your blood vessels, including those in your eyes. By keeping your eyes' blood vessels strong and healthy, you're ensuring that your vision stays sharp and clear. In addition to its benefits for your eyes, spinach is also packed with vitamins and minerals that help combat age spots. Its high content of vitamin E and vitamin A promotes healthy, glowing skin and helps reduce the appearance of dark spots caused by aging or sun exposure. Turmeric is an amazing ingredient that deserves a spot in this drink not only for its flavor but also for its health benefits. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is a major contribution for both vision decline and the formation of age spots. So, by reducing inflammation, turmeric helps protect both your eyes and your skin. Curcumin has been shown to improve the function of the retina, the part of the eye that processes light, and it can help also lower the risk of developing age-related eye diseases like glaucoma and macular degeneration. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties help keep your skin clear and reduce the appearance of dark spots by promoting healing at the cellular level. Adding turmeric to this drink not only enhances its flavor but also amplifies its ability to restore your vision and give your skin a youthful glow. Next on this list is lemon, and this one is a double threat when it comes to both skin and eye health. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which helps keep your skin firm, smooth, and free of wrinkles and age spots. By promoting collagen production, lemon juice helps repair damage caused by sun and aging, making your skin look brighter and more youthful. But lemon is also beneficial for your eyes. Vitamin C helps maintain the health of the blood vessels in your eyes and lowers the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. So, by adding lemon to this drink, it's like giving your skin a nice rejuvenating boost from the inside out. Let's talk about ginger, a flavorful and spicy root that's well known for its ability to improve circulation. Good circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your eyes and skin, helping to maintain their health over time. By improving blood flow, ginger ensures that your eyes get the nutrients they need to function optimally, while also helping your skin remain smooth and supple. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce puffiness and redness, particularly in the eyes. If you're prone to tired, irritable eyes, ginger can help soothe them and promote better overall eye health. Its antioxidant effects also help reduce the appearance of age spots, making ginger a key player in both eye and skin rejuvenation. Last, but certainly not least, we have coconut water. Hydration is key to both healthy skin and healthy eyes, and coconut water is one of the best ways to stay hydrated. It's rich in electrolytes like potassium, which helps maintain proper fluid balance in your cells. By keeping your skin and eyes well hydrated, coconut water helps prevent dryness, irritation, and fatigue. It's also rich in cytokinins, which are plant hormones known for their anti-aging properties. Cytokinins help slow down the aging process of your cells, promoting healthy and youthful skin. They also reduce the appearance of wrinkles and age spots, giving your complexion a natural glow. By adding coconut water to this drink, you're not only enhancing its flavor, but also giving your body the hydration it needs to keep your skin and eyes looking and feeling their best. Now that we've covered the key ingredients and their incredible benefits, let's get into the recipe for this delicious and powerful drink. Here's what you need: one large carrot, chopped, one handful of free spinach, about 1 cup, 1-inch piece of ginger peeled and chopped, half teaspoon of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root if available, juice of 1 lemon, and 1 cup of coconut water. Simply blend all these ingredients together until smooth. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add more coconut water or a bit of cold water. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. What makes these drinks so effective is the synergy between these ingredients. Together, they provide a combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds that work to protect your eyes and skin from the inside out. Regularly drinking this nutrient-packed blend can help restore your vision and protect your eyes from damage, improving circulation and providing the vitamins needed for optimal eye health. At the same time, this drink targets age spots and other signs of aging by nourishing your skin from within. The vitamin C from lemon helps you brighten your skin and fade those dark spots, while beta carotene from the carrots and the vitamin E in spinach work together to fight off free radicals that can cause premature aging. The anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric and ginger are the icing on the cake, reducing the inflammation that can cause both skin and eye issues to worsen over time. The best part is that this drink is not only incredibly beneficial to your health, but also delicious and refreshing. It's an easy way to incorporate these powerful ingredients into your daily routine without having to overhaul your entire diet. Just 1 glass a day, and you're giving your body the tool it needs to heal and restore itself naturally. You might be wondering how exactly these ingredients work together to create such powerful results. Let's dive a bit deeper into the science behind it. When you consume beta carotene, like that found in carrots, your body converts it into vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. Vitamin A helps protect the surface of your eyes and prevent night blindness and dry eyes, while also supporting the function of the retina, the part of your eye that detects light and color. At the same time, lutein and zeaxanthin found in spinach act like a natural sunblock for your eyes. They also absorb harmful blue light from screens and sunlight, reducing oxidative stress on your eyes and lowering your risk of developing macular degeneration or cataracts. These two antioxidants are actually concentrated in the retina, where they protect the eyes from light-induced damage. But it's not just your eyes that benefit from this drink. Vitamin C from lemons boosts your body's production of collagen, a protein that helps your skin be firm and elastic. Collagen is critical for reducing the appearance of wrinkles and age spots because it supports the structure of your skin. The antioxidants in the drink work to neutralize free radicals, which can damage skin cells and speed up aging. Turmeric and ginger round out the drink by adding potent anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce overall inflammation into your body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a wide range of health issues from eye disorders to skin problems and even chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. By keeping inflammation under control, you're not only helping your eyes and skin, but also promoting better health throughout your entire body. Now that you're excited to give this drink a try, you might be wondering how often you should have it to see real results. The good news is that because of all these ingredients are natural and safe, you can enjoy this drink daily as part of your regular routine. For optimal results, I recommend having it once a day, either in the morning as a refreshing start to your day or in the afternoon as a pick-me-up. Over time, as you continue to nourish your body with these nutrient-rich ingredients, you'll likely start noticing improvements in your vision and skin within a few weeks. Consistency is key here. While you might not see overnight results, the long-term benefits are worth it. Think of this drink as a preventative measure. by giving your body the nutrients it needs on a regular basis. You're setting yourself up for better vision, brighter skin, and a more youthful appearance as you age. If you're looking to supercharge the effects of this drink, there are a few additional tips that can help you get the most out of it. Number 1, stay hydrated. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin and eyes hydrated. Hydration is essential for maintaining healthy cells and reducing dryness in both your skin and eyes. Number 2, wear sunglasses. Protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays can prevent further damage to your vision. Always wear sunglasses when you are outside, especially on sunny days, to reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Number 3, use sunscreen. Just like you protect your eyes, it's important to protect your skin from the sun as well. Wearing sunscreen daily can prevent the formation of age spots and reduce the risk of skin cancer. Number 4, get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for skin and eye health. When you're well rested, your body has the chance to repair itself, which can help reduce the appearance of age spots and keep your eyes functioning at their best. Number 5, eat a well-balanced diet. While this drink is packed with nutrients, it's also important to maintain a healthy, balanced diet overall. Incorporate plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals to support overall health and longevity. So, what kind of results can you expect from adding this drink to your daily routine? While individual experiences may vary, many people who regularly consume this drink report noticeable improvements in both their vision and skin. Here are some changes you might see over time. Number 1, clearer, sharper vision. Thanks to the combination of beta-carotene, lutein, and other antioxidants, you may notice that your vision becomes clearer and sharper, especially in low light conditions. This drink can help protect against common related issues like macular degeneration and cataracts, making it easier to maintain healthy vision as you age. Number 2, fewer age spots. The vitamin C and antioxidants in this drink work to fade age spots by repairing damaged skin and promoting healthy skin cell turnover. Over time, you might notice a reduction in the appearance of dark spots and more even radiant skin. Number 3, brighter, more youthful skin. With the help of collagen-boosting ingredients like lemon and coconut water, your skin may start to look brighter and more youthful. Regular hydration from this drink can also help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 4, improved overall well-being. This drink doesn't just benefit your skin and eyes, it's also packed with nutrients that support your overall health. By reducing inflammation to improving circulation, you're likely to feel more energetic, vibrant, and healthy as you continue incorporating it into your routine. Incorporating this simple, tasty drink into your daily routine can have a profound impact on both your vision and skin health. The best part, it's made with natural ingredients that you can easily find at your local grocery store, and it's a delicious way to support your body's natural healing process. Remember, maintaining good vision and healthy skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By focusing on nourishing your body with the right nutrients, you can help restore your vision, fade age spots, and slow down the aging process, all while enjoying a refreshing and delicious drink. So, why not give it a try? Your eyes, your skin, and your body will thank you for it. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this video with someone who could use a little extra inspiration on their health journey. Comment everything you want below, and see you on the next video.